According to the instructions, the light kit pan should be by itself where you can affix it to the bottom of the fan here. Unfortunately, when receiving two different like what do you call these things, light kits, it's already attached. You can see here that this pan is this part. You cannot take this off because it's already screwed on. It's no way here. It seems like it's as simple as turn counterclockwise. But when you try to turn it the other way, it doesn't unlock the fixture cover. So there's no way to attach it to the bottom of the fan. I'm so confused. We received two lights to possible, because the first light seemed like, I said, oh, well, somebody put this on there. And no, they didn't. This is how they are coming in a package. It's two of them. We received two. Here's the second one. Same thing. The cover is already attached to them, and you can't take it off to attach the pan to the bottom of the fan. It's crazy.